Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami butterfly ring. First of all, you have to take a strip of paper, fold it into two equal halves, press well, open it, now again press it from the other side, fold two triangles, and press well. Open it and fold the curves inwards. Now, fold the triangles outwards and then from the other corner too. Now the third corner and subsequently the fourth one. Press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. Now open it and press. Pressing well. Now open it, keeping the bit of the paper, fold it. Now again from the other side, repeat the same step. Now fold the remaining strip, press well, then from the other side repeat the same step. Now again folding the strip, pressing well, like this. Now from the other side again fold and press it as shown in the video. Alright, a tiny butterfly shape has been made. Now curve the strip to give it a wing shape. Now fold the corners of one side so that they may tuck in the other side. Perfect. and the little jewel is done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.